Welcome back to my channel and another video. We're going to transform these battered nails into something beautiful. So as you can see, one of those nails was a bit broken. We have built that out with some builder gel because my client has builder gel. And we're going to do some gorgeous bright summery ombre. So I'm going to do a tiny bit of talking and then I'm just going to let you watch for once rather than me rambling on. We are doing a vertical ombre across the nail, and basically the colour to the right of the first nail will be the first colour on the second finger, and so on and so forth. Important thing to remember with ombres is that the more you overplay with them, the more likely you're going to get stuck in your head that there's something wrong with them. I am not doing the acrylic technique with these purely because I find vertical ombres much easier to do, and we do also top it with glitter just to add that little something extra. So yeah, like I said, I'm applying the gels next to each other, and then I'm taking my ombre brush and just blending them in. This thumb was my favourite. It just reminded me of a sea. The two colour combos together were beautiful. And again, I just blend that in, and I clean my brush between each colour as well. Obviously I cure that in the lamp, and then I do 2 coats of the design. Some nails might get 3 if they needed it, but everything had 2 coats cured, and then we did a really beautiful glittery top coat over the top. So without further ado, I'm gonna quit yakking and let you watch the rest of the video. The final nails, how beautiful and pretty are they? I'm obsessed. They are just so gorgeous. Yeah, love them. So yeah, just a really short video today. I hope you liked it. Please do like and subscribe, and just check out how gorgeous that thumb is. Oh, love it. I'll see you in the next one.